Hello everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up the living room. I'm also going to do a little bit of decorating in here because I got some brand new flowers from Rose Forever, and I'm also going to do a little bit of mobile home updates in this room, similar to what we did in the last one. I'm going around the living room seeing if there's any holes I need to fill, and also there are, I'm sure y'all can see it right here, that little white strip exposed. It's where we painted this room at nighttime one night. It was kind of dark and we totally missed this right here. So I'm just going to be going back around here, make sure all the little finishing touches are done so everything looks more clean and put together. First thing I'm going to do is clear off of this little table. It is an eyesore. I'm going to remove all of that. I'm hoping that it will stay clean. I'm not sure if it will, but I just wanted to declutter. Y'all know I've been doing that recently throughout the house, a lot in the kitchen. And that is because I want to go for more simple home decor quality pieces that I truly love and enjoy looking at every day, and that just hold a special meaning for me, and just to be more intentional with the decor that I purchase, the decor that I have in my home. And I'm actually going to be going through my seasonal decor. I recently did my spring and summer, and next up is my Halloween and fall decor, and I'm going to be getting rid of quite a few stuff. Also, shout out to April for sending me that pink stuff cleaner. It is really good. It smells sweet, like a candy. If you like sweet scents, then you would probably like the pink stuff, and it cleans up real nice. But here are my Rose Forever flowers. I went with the black velvet. I thought it was beautiful, and I got the ivory roses, so I'll try a little bit more about that in a second. So in February, I got a box of Rose Forever roses, and they are still looking amazing, and it is almost to August, so not quite a whole year so far, but they really do hold up. The quality is really nice. They come in all different shapes, sizes, colors, textures. I went for the black velvet, and I wanted the round one this time because it is so simple yet so eloquent, and that is exactly what I was wanting to achieve with this decorating portion of the video. This table in our living room has always been an eyesore because it is always the catch-all, and I'm sure it will be a catch-all, you know, in a couple of days, if not this evening. But I love how simple this is, and makes a huge statement in your room, and it just goes to show that you can get very intentional decor for your home and it have a lot more meaning to you, instead of having all sorts of different little knickknacks around. I feel like this just brings a different element to the room. It's also natural, it's fresh, beautiful preserved roses that will last a very long time. I love it up next against my velvet curtains as well, and it just goes so well with these two pictures over here, which also have, you know, the flowers in them. So I am going to leave all of Rose Forever's information down below for y'all. You can get $25 off with my discount code, and this code is good for 30 days since this video is published, so definitely be sure to check out the description box down below. Alright, so I've got a little bit of picking up to do in here. I don't know what is in that chair over there, but I've got some stuff left out. I did recently add this blanket because it has the black in it, and we don't really have purple in here, so I was thinking of getting a new blanket, but I'm going to use this one for now. I do like the boho feel, but I'm wanting to go for more of a modern blanket for right here, but we got some cleaning up to do. This, for instance, is so dusty, and so once we get this straightened up, which shouldn't take me long at all, we will get into the mobile home updates.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night.
Alright, now it's time to get into the update. So this is the Sherwin-Williams Showcase, and it's stain blocking paint and primer, and it's the one coat coverage. This one is in the color Storm Cloud Gray, I think. And you don't have to get it in the red container if you like this color. I'm pretty sure you can get it even with the Valspar, because I'm pretty sure that's also Sherwin-Williams. Anyways, I got it at Lowe's, and I remember the lady telling us that you could get it in whatever type of way you want to get it. So we just chose this one because it was one coat, it's paint and primer, and she said it was the best one. So, and it's still under $50. I think we paid $34, and this is like their most premium line that they carry. So here's some before clips for you. That is a shadow, or the sun peeking through, by the way. But as you can see, we've got some holes to fill, so those will have to be painted over. And I noticed some holes up here as well where we have the curtains right there. And one down there that's pretty small. and it is so hard to see, but there's like, okay, you see them now, but then there's all these tiny little pinholes too, and then there's like a really big hole up there. So just like in the last one, alright, so like in the one where we did all the holes in the kitchen, it made such a big difference just filling in those holes, and I thought to myself, oh, this isn't like good enough to consider a mobile home update. Like, maybe my viewers will want to see more, but honestly I feel like based on y'all's feedback, it was actually wonderful, because it just goes to show that we can do really simple things in our home that don't cost hardly any money at all, and we don't have to make a big deal about updates, and we can go at our own pace and do things here and there that add up to a lot. So if you've put off doing updates because you feel like it's not enough, and or you think like it's not going to make a big difference anyway, so you just leave it there like a hole, no big deal. It really does make a difference, and it's actually fun. Like, once you get into it, it feels really fun to do. So alright, hopefully this motivates y'all.
Said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe
So you will see me go back and forth with the spatula, that's what I'm going to call it, and my finger. I've noticed that with the tiny little holes, it's much easier to just dab with my pointer finger, and then with cracks in between the ceiling and the wall, it's much easier to use my thumb. And then for bigger holes, or just like dents, they're not even holes, it's just like dents, I guess would be a good term for it, I use the spatula thing. Also, this song is called Little Moments by Gamma Skies.
all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. 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 All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments. pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
And after everything dried, I went back through with my paint and filled in where all of the spots were that I had either missed painting when we painted it originally, and then all of those white areas where I just filled in the holes with spackle.
Problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
And this is how it all ended up. That was a nail that you saw, and I realized that my paintbrush was not super dry when I was using it, so it looked kind of weird over here. So after filming, I did go back through with a very dry paintbrush and get that cleaned up, but this crack that was over here looks so much better. This looks so much better, and I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. I loved having you here. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, and thank you so much to everybody that is returning and continues to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to check out Rose Forever. I will leave the links in the description box down below, the coupon code for $25 off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
So come with me, we could spend the weekend doing